Looking for serenity in Cameron Park? Well, this single-story oasis, where magnificent oak trees frame local views, is the one that you have been waiting for. Updated, this single-story home boasts a bright, airy, open floor plan, seamlessly connecting the kitchen and the living room, adjacent to the oversized family room that has endless possibilities. Maybe a home theater, office, or playroom. Really, there's enough room for all three. An entertainer's kitchen features a convenient island, a dining bar, a wine fridge, granite countertops, and beautiful stainless appliances, along with a pellet stove to keep you warm on cool spring evenings. A retreat, the primary ensuite, has a beautifully updated bathroom, a spacious walk-in closet, and tranquil backyard views. Step outside to enjoy the multi-level ambiance of the exquisitely landscaped backyard, complete with an outdoor barbecue and refrigerator, creating the perfect setting for entertaining guests and relaxing all year long. 3244 Cessna is the oasis that you've been waiting for. Don't miss this opportunity to live the good life in Cameron Park. Schedule your private showing today.